So it's been sitting all alone for a couple weeks here. I took a little break from it because I just had a baby. And today we're going to work on some weather stripping. I got my weather stripping kit from Bronco Graveyard. And they had an entire weather stripping kit for, I think it was $225 and $25 shipping or something like that. So in all it was $250 for several pieces of weather stripping. I think that, so that included the rear window, all the seals for the doors, including the upper seal, which some people don't carry, the seal that goes around the doors, all the window seals, the windshield seal, and even I think the wing windows included that. So we're gonna jump right into that, and we're also gonna assemble all these door latches and stuff because I'm gonna have to take this home today so that they can have their shop back. And it's going to have to, unfortunately, sit under a tarp at home for a little bit until I can get the windshield company to come up, and install windshield for me. So let's get started. Something I want to show you that I've fought with several of these before, and I just now figured this out. Feel kind of stupid about it, but the correct, or I don't know if it's the correct, but the easiest orientation that I've found to stick your wing window back in the door. Okay, so the easiest way to get these in, I always fight because this little bracket right here is a pain in the butt to get lined up. So the best orientation to do this is lay your wing window flat with the bump facing towards the inside. I'm going to come tip that under and in, just like so. Grab this with my finger. Tip it in, and then you're in. Then you can manipulate it and get that down into the orientation you need. And to get it out, the same. So when you're removing these things, you come out, tip around. So that bump is facing away. Pull this side out a little further. It's a little bit harder to do with one hand. Pull it out a little further. Then we take this, come up, and twist. And that should bring you right out. I just know that's something that I've fought when I've changed several of these. And I just figured it out. So I might be slow, or that might be helpful. So we finally got it home, super excited. Got windshield in just today, a couple hours ago actually. Paint looks pretty good. This summer I think I'm gonna go and do a little bit of wet sanding and probably do another coat of clear, at least on the hood, so I can wet sand and polish that out all nice and smooth. But I really like the black trim, like how that all turned out. I got all new seals put in the windows, new seals around the wing windows, track trim. I still got to get the trim that goes inside my side windows here. Got the rear windows on. Super excited about that. I just put this on because I drove it home today and I didn't want any rock chips because I don't have any rear fender wells right now. Hopefully in the next couple days I'll be able to go back up to Grandpa's and get this flatbed put back on it, and yeah, it's exciting to see it all coming back together. Next project on it is probably going to be, I got some trim pieces I got to finish up. I got to get my emblems here. Oh, I got to paint mirrors. I think I'm gonna black the mirrors out too. I gotta get my Ford letters on there, get the marker lights in it, and we're gonna build a grill. I've got a couple ideas. I kind of want it to match the wheels, so I'm thinking kind of a black mesh grill with this rivet pattern around the outside. So I'll do probably like a 1.5 inch wide band around there with a black mesh, and then rivets every, I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches. We'll see how that works out. So I'm really loving the color, because in this overcast light, it's a nice deep green, almost a black, but when it's in the sun, it just shines. I'll have to get some videos down the road of it in the sun, but you get that metallic just pops out of it when the sun hits it, and it looks so deep and green. I have fun doing these videos. No professional, but I just enjoy doing it, learning how to edit and all that kind of stuff. And we're almost up to, actually I think we're just a little bit over 100 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed, please do that, and you'll be able to continue following what else is going to happen on this thing, and maybe down the road see some other stuff on the Bronco 2 and some other projects I got planned. So go build something, like, subscribe, and have a nice day.